Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the basics. Make sure your iPhone is updated and your Apple TV is on the same Wi-Fi. You enable Bluetooth on the phone, then swipe to open Control Center and locate the remote icon. If the icon isn't visible, you'll add it in Settings, tap Control Center, then Customize. Once done, keep both devices close. Being within 10 feet avoids pairing delays. You're setting up secure communications, so signing into the same Apple ID makes controls and home integration seamless. You now tap the detected Apple TV entry in the remote list. When a 4-digit code appears on the TV, type it on your iPhone to complete pairing. Next, make sure touch gestures and Siri input are enabled. Go to Settings, Remotes and Devices, and verify the options you want. You can also add the Apple TV to the Home app so you can control it from Control Center or automations. Doing this gives you quick access and ensures the phone behaves exactly like a physical Siri remote. You finish by testing navigation, play, pause, and Siri commands. Confirm volume control works via your TV or receiver. If the remote is unresponsive, restart both devices and make sure they rejoin the same Wi-Fi. That often clears transient issues. If problems persist, unpair and repair the virtual remote. Open Settings on Apple TV, reset remote pairing, then add it again from your iPhone. One key tip: signing out and back into your Apple ID on both devices can resolve persistent authentication hiccups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.